From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning and happy Friday. From Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Jacqueline Lynch. So let's take a look at these conditions for today. You can see right now we're sitting at about 43 degrees, although it feels a little chillier at 40, just because there's a lot of this cloud coverage and slight wind. As we take a look into just the rest of the area a little bit further out, you can see generally we're sitting at these mid to low 40s across the center part of the state. And across all of Pennsylvania, it's a bit warmer in the corners of the state as expected, including 50 degrees up in Erie. And for looking at the cloud coverage, you're going to see this whole week clouds through and through. So right now we've got tons of cloud coverage across almost the entire state, although a little bit less in the east. And this in fact seems to be the trend for just the central Midwest and the northeast area of the country. And it's going to continue to be that way for most of the week. So speaking of those persistent conditions, taking a look at our drought tracker, you can see unfortunately our drought conditions have gotten a little bit worse over in the east because the rain we had did not quite alleviate much over here. The orange has actually, the dark orange has spread up a little bit, which is unfortunate. However, on a positive note, down here in the southwest corner, although it looks pretty bad, we did get some relief because this sliver of orange right here used to be red just a few days ago, so it's really nice to see a little bit of that drought condition was slightly alleviated by a lot of the rain we had. So it'd be great to see that trend continue, although at the moment it looks like that may not happen because it's mostly clouds and not too much rain this week. But here in State College, our drought conditions are certainly not too bad. And as we take a look back at today, you can see that we're going to get up to about 52 degrees in the middle of the day, but it's going to drop right back down in the evening to about 48, which truly is not that bad for the time of year. We are well into November, and we're still almost at 50 degrees in the evening, so not complain, well above freezing still. And just to see that trend, we're going to see that temperatures are going to decrease in the evening and then continue to do so until they pick up in the early morning Saturday, about 6 a.m. And those will just continue through the rest of the day Saturday to a pretty high 50 degrees in the middle of the day, and then they'll drop back down right in the evening. And just to take another look at today, to recap, it's 54 degrees, overcast, as you know. And then tonight, it's going to be not too chilly, 43 degrees, continuing with those clouds. Taking a closer look, you can see with tomorrow, it's going to be 55 degrees, which is pretty warm. You may not even need a heavy coat, and still cloudy, of course, and windier. And then for our outlook for the week, as you can see, so many clouds. So today, 54 degrees, that low of 43 tonight, and then tomorrow, high of 55, a low of 31, which is definitely the chilliest we'll see this week. And then on Sunday, we're going to get a little warmer, 57 degrees with that low of 42 in the evening. And then Monday, we might even hit 61 degrees, which would be just beautiful considering we're going to be well into the middle of November, almost at Thanksgiving and hitting the 60s still. And then at 36 degrees in the evening, Tuesday, 57 degrees, a low of 42. And Wednesday, a high of 59 and a low of 37 in the evening, finishing off the week with a chance of showers. Hopefully that stays true with a high of 48 degrees. So hopefully we can get that rain at the end of the week, and if we're lucky, more during the week, but we'll see about that. So once again, from Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Jacqueline Lynch. Have a nice day.